Hi there. Based on our research, the GameOn partners have produced 7 models to approach game design. The mixed approach is one of them. Usually, the mixed process is practiced in formal education institutions, for example high schools or universities, and in non-formal educational environments. Young people participate in some design phases of one and only educational game. The topic for a game is often chosen by promoters. If the project is developed in formal education institutions, the topic is related to the academic curriculum. The primary goal is to develop young people's competences related to inclusion. They create a game that promotes social inclusion among other young people. Following the mixed approach, young people get involved in the following stages of the game design process: game development, game testing. Mixed game design has unique features. Usually, each project has a unique guided process, for example collaborative work in small groups, individual work with a feedback system, or task division with deadlines. The duration varies from 4 hours to quickly create and test content to 1 semester that may include training on game design. As a result, participants develop one game connected to curricular competences and a specific socially relevant topic. Mainly high school students whose participation is compulsory or members of youth centers who participate voluntarily. The process is facilitated and supported by youth workers, teachers, game design experts, graphic designers, and volunteers. Usually, mixed game design is carried out through projects developed in high schools, universities, or youth centers. The project combines a wide variety of activities, for example training, workshops, individual work, and group work. The game design process is guided and supported by staff members from non-governmental organizations and professionals working at youth centers. These are some personal, social, and civic competencies young people can develop in mixed game design projects. You can further explore examples of mixed game design. Join a learning playlist on methodological models in game design.